So you've decided to embrace the great outdoors? Fantastic! But before you strap on those boots and head for the hills, let's talk about the gear that'll keep you safe, comfortable, and most importantly make you look like you know what you're doing out there. Whether you're a seasoned trailblazer or a newbie who still gets blisters on a treadmill, this video covers the must-haves for your hiking adventure this year. Footwear. Your feet deserve the best. Let's kick things off with the foundation of any good hike: your footwear. The best hiking boots are all about comfort, durability, and traction. The Loa Renegade GTX boots are still reigning champs, offering unmatched durability and foot protection for tackling tough terrain. They are designed to handle everything from rocky mountain paths to muddy trails, ensuring that your feet stay comfortable, no matter how challenging the hike. If you prefer something lighter, the Ultra Lone Peak 8 Trail Runners are a fantastic choice, especially for those who like to keep it nimble on well-maintained trails. Their lightweight design doesn't compromise on grip or stability, making them perfect for those who want to move fast and light. The backpack, your mobile command center. You wouldn't leave home without your phone, right? Well, think of your backpack as the outdoor equivalent, except it holds snacks, water, and maybe a rain jacket instead of your endless social media scrolling. Osprey and Duder lead the pack, pun totally intended, with their lightweight yet spacious day packs. These packs are perfect for day-long adventures, offering enough space for all your essentials without weighing you down. For multi-day treks, Gregory and Recreational Equipment Inc. offer larger packs that balance comfort and capacity perfectly. These packs come with advanced ergonomic designs that help distribute the weight evenly across your back and shoulders, reducing strain and increasing comfort over long distances. Additionally, many of these backpacks feature hydration system compatibility, making it easy to stay hydrated without having to stop and unpack your gear. Hydration, because dehydration is so last year. Let's be real, water is life, especially when you're miles away from civilization. Hydration packs like those from Camelback are essential for staying hydrated on the go. They're easy to use, don't take up much space, and make it easy to drink without breaking your stride. In addition to keeping you hydrated, these packs also help regulate your body temperature, preventing heat exhaustion on those long, hot trails. And if you're into the old school vibe, a Hydro Flask wide mouth bottle will keep your water cold all day long. Plus, it's nearly indestructible, kind of like the last pop song you couldn't get out of your head. These bottles also come in various sizes and colors, allowing you to choose one that fits your style and hydration needs. Navigation. Don't get lost, unless you want to. In the age of technology, getting lost should be reserved for metaphorical self-discovery, not for wandering off trail. Modern GPS devices from Garmin come loaded with topographic maps and route tracking, so you'll always know exactly where you are. These devices are not only accurate, but also feature long battery life and are built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. But don't forget to carry a traditional map and compass as a backup, because dead batteries love to strike at the worst possible moment. Knowing how to read a map and use a compass is a skill that every hiker should master, as it can be a lifesaver in remote areas where technology might fail. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about navigating the old-fashioned way. Layering. Weather won't wait for you. Mother Nature is unpredictable, and dressing in layers is your best defense against her mood swings. Start with a good base layer. Merino wool is perfect for its breathability and odor resistance. It wicks away moisture, keeping you dry even during intense hikes, and its natural antimicrobial properties mean you won't smell like a gym bag at the end of the day. Add a mid-layer like a fleece pullover for warmth, which is essential for those early morning starts or when you're hiking at higher elevations. Fleece is lightweight and packs easily into your backpack, making it a convenient option for when temperatures drop. Top it off with a Gore-Tex rain jacket to stay dry. These jackets are not only waterproof, but also breathable, ensuring you don't overheat when the rain stops and the sun comes out. Remember, nothing ruins a hike faster than a soggy t-shirt and chattering teeth, so be prepared with the right layers. Snacks. Fuel for the trail. Trail mix is a classic for a reason, but this year has seen a surge in eco-friendly and energy-packed options. Brands are now offering biodegradable wrappers for their snacks, and energy bars like those from Cliff Bar are both nutritious and environmentally conscious. These snacks are designed to provide a quick energy boost without the sugar crash, thanks to their balanced mix of carbs, fats, and proteins. Remember, packing out what you pack in is the golden rule. Don't be that hiker who leaves a wrapper behind. In addition to trail mix and energy bars, consider bringing along some dried fruit, nuts, or even jerky for a savory treat. These snacks are lightweight, easy to pack, and provide sustained energy, helping you power through those last few miles of the trail. First aid kit, because accidents happen. Even if you're the most cautious hiker, accidents can happen. A compact first aid kit is non-negotiable. Make sure it includes basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers for those pesky splinters. You'll also want to have items like moleskin for blisters, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. Adventure medical kits offer pre-packaged solutions that cover all the essentials without taking up much space in your pack. Additionally, learning basic first aid skills can be invaluable in an emergency situation, allowing you to handle minor injuries on your own until help arrives. Whether it's a scrape, a sprain, or something more serious, having a well-stocked first aid kit can turn a potential disaster into a manageable inconvenience. Gadgets and gizmos, high-tech hiking. This year is all about integrating smart technology into your hike. From solar-powered chargers to keep your devices juiced up to smartwatches like the Garmin Fenix series that track your route, altitude, and even your heart rate, tech is making hikes safer and more enjoyable. These devices not only provide real-time data, but also help you make informed decisions on the trail, such as when to turn back due to changing weather conditions. Just remember to look up from your watch once in a while to actually enjoy the view. After all, the whole point of hiking is to disconnect from the digital world. But when you do need that connection, having a reliable gadget can be a game changer, especially in remote areas where getting lost or losing contact could be risky. Sustainable gear. Hike light. Leave no trace. The push towards eco-friendly gear is stronger than ever. Companies like Cotopaxi and the North Face are leading the charge with products made from recycled materials. These eco-friendly products not only help reduce your environmental footprint, but also perform just as well, if not better, than their conventional counterparts. This year, consider investing in gear that's not only good for you, but also good for the planet. After all, those trees you're hiking through would probably appreciate it. From biodegradable food packaging to clothing made from sustainable fabrics, every little bit helps in preserving the natural beauty of our trails for future generations. Plus, using sustainable gear is a great way to start conversations with fellow hikers about the importance of protecting our environment. Thanks for joining me on this hike through the must-haves for your outdoor adventures. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow hikers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and outdoor adventures. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and keep exploring. See you on the trails.